So the stay-at-home order was not the only executive order issued by Governor Holcomb. There were two other orders. The first of which was a prohibition on dining in restaurants. This has been going on for at least a week. Who's still eating inside restaurants? I've done takeout almost every single day, and places don't even want to let you into the door, but apparently restaurants are still letting folks in. So Governor Holcomb said, hey, if you keep letting people into your restaurants to drink or eat, we're going to start fining you, we're going to violate you, and if you keep doing it, we're going to mess with your license. We're ultimately going to mess with your license at the time of the incident, and then when it's time to renew, we're going to start messing with your license. If you're a restaurant owner, establishment owner, I would not call anyone's bluff on this. The third executive order was, it's actually kind of cool. Basically, if you're a restaurant or facility that can serve alcohol on premises, well, since you can't have on-premises dining or consumption anymore, well, the governor said, hey, you can give alcohol to go. That sounds awesome. And basically, you can still patronize your favorite restaurants and actually order food and alcohol from them. But I want to let you know, just because you can have alcohol in your car does not mean you can have one to go while driving home. Because while even if you're not intoxicated, because you're only driving a mile, a 2-minute drive from the restaurant to your home, having an open alcohol container is a Class C infraction. Not a crime, but it's an infraction with a $500 fine. So basically, if you get a growler and it's sealed and you crack it open, or the officer has reason to believe that it's been open, that's a Class C infraction. Now, if the officer believes you've been drinking, so there's a 24-pack in the back and there's a can in the front, well, that's a Class B infraction. Again, not a crime, but why would you want to make your day so horrible by having an officer do an investigation for a DUI? So, if you do partake with this situation where you're getting alcohol at these restaurants and you're taking it home, don't drink while driving, and leave the container as is. Transport it safely, but just don't be drinking while driving or mess with it too much. Remember, always plead the fifth.